If you've ever scrolled through Instagram and wondered, wait, is this influencer even real? You're not alone. AI influencers are becoming one of the hottest trends right now, and the crazy part is, you can actually create one yourself. So in this video, I'll show you how to make your own AI influencer for Instagram, step by step, in a simple and practical way. First, let's understand what an AI influencer actually is. An AI influencer is a virtual character, completely generated using artificial intelligence, that looks and behaves like a real human. They post photos, reels, stories, and even collaborate with brands. Some famous examples include Lil Miquela, who has millions of followers and works with big companies. Now let's talk about how you can create one. Step 1 is creating your AI character. This is the most important part. You need a unique face, style, and personality. You can use tools like DALL-E or Midjourney to generate realistic human images. Try different prompts like realistic Instagram model, natural lighting, 4K portrait until you get a consistent look. Consistency is key. Your AI influencer should look like the same person in every post. Step 2 is building a personality. Ask yourself, who is your influencer? Are they a fashion model, a fitness coach, or a travel blogger? Give them a name, a backstory, and a tone of voice. This makes your account feel real and relatable. Step 3 is creating content. Use AI tools like Lumen 5 or Synthesia to generate short videos or animate your images. You can also write captions using AI tools like Jasper to make engaging and human-like posts. Mix photos, reels, and stories just like real influencers do. Step 4 is editing and polishing. Apps like CapCut or Adobe Premiere help you create trending reels with music, transitions, and effects. Keep your content visually appealing and aligned with Instagram trends. Step 5 is growing your account. Use hashtags, post consistently, and follow trends. Engage with your audience by replying to comments and messages. Even though your influencer is AI, the interaction should feel human. And finally, Step 6, monetization. Once your account grows, you can earn money through brand deals, affiliate marketing, and promotions. Many brands are now open to working with AI influencers because they are unique and fully controllable. But remember, transparency is important. Always make it clear that your influencer is AI generated to build trust with your audience. So that's how you can create your own AI influencer for Instagram.